Hello and welcome back to the Moodle training sessions. For the upcoming semester, we have a couple of new features. For example, the Nanogong Audio Plugin, advanced uploading of files, and student group selections. And these training videos will help you understand how to use these new features in a more efficient way in your courses for the upcoming semester. Firstly, let's talk about the Nanogong Audio Plugin. So if you go to your course homepage, and you'll notice that once you turn editing on, you have the little pencil icons around for each section or week. So these pencil icons actually help you edit the summary for that particular section or topic, basically the heading text. So let's say, for example, in the general section of your course homepage, the top section here, we want to add an introduction audio plugin for the students. So let's click on the pencil icon and let's edit the summary for that section. So the familiar editor loads up. It's similar to Word again, so all those basic functions are there. And now let's click in the white text area and type in, for example, please click here, or just say listen to introduction, or to make it shorter, let's actually put in introduction. Now to insert the audio file and record your introduction speech here, what you can do is click on the insert modify sound button in your editor. And keep in mind that wherever you see the editor in your course or on Moodle, you can always insert or modify the sound file. Okay, so it is not restricted only to a general section in your course or any other section for that matter. Anywhere you see the editor and you can use the editor, you can always insert a sound file, or basically your recordings. So let's click on that, and you'll notice that a pop-up box loads up. So once the pop-up box loads up, you'll have to basically run Java, and this is something which the browser will do for you by itself. So you don't just click on the run button, and you'll notice that the recorder loads up right there. So now the red record button here, if you click on that and just basically speak into your microphone, and please keep in mind that to record something on your computer using this tool, you will basically need a microphone. So most modern laptops have inbuilt microphones, or you could get one of the headsets with a microphone built in and plug it in to the microphone jack in your computer and then start recording. So I'll just click on the red record button, and basically you'll notice that your recording starts by using the timeline here. You can see that the number of seconds have passed and you have a 5-minute limit, but that is something we can adjust later depending on your needs. And you'll notice that the record is taking place successfully using the audio meter here. So you'll notice that the more I speak, the more the audio goes up and down. So that's your audio meter to make sure that you know the recording is being recorded successfully. Over here, the caption box is something where you can add a caption if you wanted to. For example, your name, or saying introduction speech or whatever, and this caption will be attached to the audio symbol which will be inserted in your course. For example, here let me type in listen. Let me stop my recording and I click OK. So that gets inserted there, and you'll see the caption once I save the changes. So once you get back to our course homepage, you'll notice that you have your text which you entered there, you have the audio file there, and the caption which we entered in the pop-up box. Now if you want to test what your audio would sound like, basically click on the file and just click on play. Basically you'll notice that your recording starts by using the timeline here. You can see that. So you'll notice that it's as simple as that. You basically click on the audio icon and play the sound file. You can stop it, and to dismiss the recording options there or the play options there, you can just click on the sound file again. So it's that straightforward and really simple. Now you can do this wherever you see the editor, again, as I said before. So say, for example, let me show you, for example, here, if you have an online text assignment, right? So let's create an assignment here, a test assignment. Description, let's say test 4, and here I want to insert an audio file, again giving the students instructions as to how to go about this assignment. So I turn the audio, insert audio icon, pop-up box loads up, click on the record button, I go through the recording, I record my 1 minute of audio recording there, basically giving instructions to students. Click on the stop button, I could type in instructions as a caption, and then all the other parameters for the assignment, and just save and return to course. So now as a student, just switch my role here, I'll be able to go in to that assignment and basically again see the audio file right there. So I can click on the instructions and just basically hear all the instructions. So this provides a lot of interactivity in the way you develop your course and basically provide instructions and basically resources to your students, and this helps in developing a very efficient and learning environment on Moodle, and your students will also be happy, as well as it'll make it much easier for you, rather than typing out paragraphs of text, to just record something and have the students listen to it. It makes it much more easier to go through a course with so much content. Okay, so that concludes our training session for the Nanogong Audio Plugin. Thank you.